Welcome to our second lesson about electronics. We are going to find out about intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. So the first question you can get there is about to define or distinguish. Okay? An intrinsic semiconductor is pure semiconductor. Okay? So an intrinsic semiconductor is a pure semiconductor. The atom have 4 electrons or valency 4. Now, extrinsic semiconductors, on the other hand, they are made by doping intrinsic semiconductors with impurity atoms. So, an impurity atom is added to a pure semiconductor for you to get extrinsic semiconductor. What is doping? A process of introducing small and controlled quantities of impurity atoms into intrinsic semiconductors. So what happens when we do that doping? We get 2 types of semiconductors, N-type and P-type. Let us see if we focus. Doping intrinsic semiconductor with pentavalent atom is what gives us N-type. So pentavalent is valency 5. We dope it with intrinsic, which is silicon or germanium, valency 4. But when we are doing P-type, we dope intrinsic with trivalent with valency 3. So pentavalent, valency 4, we add valency 3. Now, in your definition of N-type and P-type, the key thing is majority carriers. When doping for N-type takes place, the majority carriers are negatives because of that 5th electron. The 4 combine with 4 of pentavalent to get a strong bond. Now, when you come to P-type, we dope in the pentavalent with trivalent. So you see you have pentavalency 4 and this one we are giving valence 3. So it's like you remain with a hole. So that hole is key to the definition that in the P-type semiconductors, majority carriers are whole or positives. Look at that figure now, can tell you very well. We have here germanium doped with pentavalent. When we do that, you can see the pairing, 4 pairs are complete. Then we have a free electron here. Then you come down there, you see trivalent here. The result is P-type, and we kind of remain with a hole. Okay, so only points to note, only an electron can go into the hole, and only positive can attract negative. That's basic of electrostatic 1. The word majority carriers is key in definition of these types of semiconductors. Checkpoint. Just go through and see if you have this well understood. Define doping as used in electronics, and then distinguish between N-type and P-type semiconductors. See you until next lesson. Bye bye. Bye bye.